Hey there, welcome to your inspection. I want to quickly go through what we call our inspection resource guide. We're going to do a trip around the outside, come back in, work our way top to bottom. I'm going to answer any and all questions you got about the house. But first I want to go through our quick book here to give you an idea of what we're going to be talking about. At Housemaster, we do feel that a home inspection is not a pass-fail. It's not a to-do list for the sellers. It's not an insurance plan. It's the current condition of the home as it sits today, so you know what you're buying, what things are coming up, and maybe what areas to pay attention to. In the report, you're going to see satisfactory, fair, poor, not applicable, not inspected. That's what they all mean. It's also listed in the report for you. So once you lose this book, you're not left wondering, what does that stand for? What does P mean? It's in the report for you. After I send you that report, which will be today, Housemaster is going to send you a 3-question survey asking about your feedback. Future buyers always like to hear from you rather than asking me how my inspections are. I can tell them all day that I do a great job, but it means a lot more if it comes from you. So we do appreciate that feedback. They are going to send it out 3 different times. They kind of do a morning, noon, and night, then they quit. Fill it out once, they also quit. So it's not something that they'll bug you with forever. We're doing this page here today. We're doing the inspection. Later we'll log in and download the report from what we call the cloud. Radon results did come back a little high. The EPA says anything 4.0 or higher should have a mitigation system. We came back at 6.8 today, so mitigation is recommended. Sewer scope came back clear and nice. We'll talk about that when we get to the basement. No signs of wood destroying insects, and I've got mold tests that we'll talk about as well. So we kind of covered all the bases there. Number 7, we call it our buyer benefit program. It's relevant discounts to home ownership. National retailers are giving some discounts on things relevant to home ownership. They're kind of constantly changing in there, so take advantage of that. If it's something for the home, check that out first. It might save you money on something you're already purchasing. Somebody from our office is also going to give you a call to help hook up the utilities in the home. That way you don't have to spend that 1 to 3 hours calling the water, gas, cable, satellite, internet. 10 to 15 minutes with them, they'll make those connections for you if you'd like them to. It's completely free. You've got enough to do with packing, working, and moving that sitting on hold with that your call will be answered in the order it was received is not something anybody enjoys. I know I don't. We did take a survey of over 3 million different homes and found that the same items kind of need repair or replacement at the same age. Gives you a good idea of what to expect and when to expect it. General defects listed there. I briefly chatted about the Housemaster Cloud. That's where your report lives. That's also where those discounts are. You can do a lot more with it. You can track appliances for recalls. Thousands of items go unfixed every year because people had no clue there was a recall on, whatever it might be. They usually lead to either a fire or water issue. Put your kitchen appliances in there, your furnace, water heater, car, laptop, television, anything with a serial number you can track for recalls. You can remind yourself of routine maintenance. Many people forget to change furnace filters. Maybe it's disconnecting the garden hose in the wintertime. Some of that stuff you don't do every day, you can put a reminder in there to notify you. You can put your belongings in the cloud. That works great for insurance purposes, as should there ever be a theft or fire, you can go back to the insurance company and say, here's what I lost, versus, I think that was everything. It is password protected by you, so I can't see it, your agent can't see it. Put whatever you'd like there in the cloud. Documenting paint colors. So many people will save every empty paint can. If the can's empty, send it off to be recycled. We don't need to hang on to those empty paint cans anymore. Put where you got it, the formula, all that good stuff, so if you do need touch-up paint, you still have it available. Probably my favorite page in the book here is your pre-closing walkthrough. Prior to closing, I do encourage you to go back through the home one last time and just make sure that the home is what you're expecting. They didn't leave a bunch of garbage in the garage, that nobody moved into the basement while they were moving out. Just to make sure that if any repairs were needed or done or requested, that they were done and done appropriately. Homes are meant to be lived in. When they're not, weird things start happening. You can hear the smoke detectors are beeping here. We want to make sure that the vacant homes do get new batteries in those smoke detectors so that you're ready for when you move in. There's a little bit of graph paper in the back here should you ever want to take some measurements. Will the couch fit? Will the bed fit? Great spot for some notes. And then we do have some other vendors in the back here that are offering discounts from radon mitigation to ductwork cleaning, furnace and HVAC maintenance and service. Some things that people generally do while moving. Some local retailers are giving, or vendors are giving some discounts on things you might already be buying or needing as well. So any questions on the book? Let's do a quick trip around the outside.